Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be showing you how to use parking lot mode in PUBG Mobile Home. So first thing what you will do guys is make sure you have the latest version of the application PUBG Mobile. And now in order for you to go to the parking lot, as you can see at the very top of the screen, at the top of the head of my character, so we will have the hub, which we could unlock at level 9, and we should be able to have here multiple game mode that we could explore. And at the top left, we should be able to have our home. So here on the home, as you can see, we should be able to just simply tap on enter collection showroom. And as you can see, if we collected more items, we should be able to see something like this, and we could actually have our own parking lot or showroom of the items that we have collected during the time that we are playing. And now here you could just simply explore the map guys, and this will be the showroom that we could have. So pretty much on this side we could set an outfit, and we will have multiple categories. And since I don't have an item yet, it is not showing over here. But if you want to add the car on your showroom, just simply jump over here, and we could have an option, a set vehicle, as you can see over here. And now we will have multiple categories if we have too many items, but since I don't have one, it is not showing. But pretty much over here, you should be able to have your own showroom, and you could just simply go ahead and provide the parking lot over here. And if we want to add more parking lot, as you can see, we have to spend at least 500 to unlock one vehicle display slot for me to own. And I could just simply tap on OK, and I could just simply buy this offer over here. So pretty much going into your home, you should be able to set your vehicle over here and utilize the parking. And pretty much you could also explore the area based on your preferences, and we should be able to have the map over here. As you can see, pretty much here we should be able to have up to 9 cars, as you can see on the top left, and we should be able to display a lot of things over here into our showroom. And pretty much that's it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.